We'll stay at the Changbai Shinwanada Resort, surrounded by mountains. Open your window to pine forests and seas of clouds. Ride the cable car to the 1,205-meter summit for breathtaking views of Changbai's main peak. Enjoy transparent boats, pedal boats, and duck pedal boats, paddling across the lake in gentle breezes. Then dive into excitement at the water park, challenge the tornado slide and vertical slide, and play in the giant waves at igniting pure adrenaline. Unwind afterward at the Hanishan Hot Springs, soaking in misty thermal waters. The next day, we climb together, 1,442 steps rain or shine. Push higher toward the clouds. At 2,470 meters, Changbai Mountain's west slope Heaven Lake awaits. With fog shrouding it 264 days a year, those who reach its summit are truly blessed. Suzhou Pharma Machinery never stop moving forward. Scaling new heights together.